From your perspective, has China maintained its attractiveness? Have investors globally still enthusiasm about investing in China?
Mm-hmm. The world will have to get used to China being a very significant part of any portfolio. 18% of the global GDP is China. And so it's a very significant part. And investors need to have that as part of their diversification portfolio. Obviously, with the increasing in interest rates that we saw in developed markets and in additional inflation, a lot of the money is flowing more into fixed income instruments and into money market funds in the dollar market, which created a situation where most markets around the world saw a decrease in liquidity. This is not something to one region, it's pretty much every region around the world. When you look at the stock markets around the world, valuations are affected by higher rates. To the extent that higher rates, are permanent or more long-lasting, then people use that as a discount rate over time. So that has been an effect. But without a doubt, more and more people are looking and trying to understand, how will China play into my portfolio? There are ebbs and flows in the global markets, ups and down cycles, so we'll continue to see that.
Now you are attending the 10th annual Financial Street Forum this year. What kind of experience do you get from this forum, and what kind of, this bridging or connectivity do you get from this forum?
When I think about our objective as a Hong Kong exchange, we have, a very, very clear objective of being a super connector between China and the world. That, tags along very well with what the Financial Street Forum is doing. We want to be that connectivity. The more connection there is, the better for the rest of the world. In addition to that, something that we also want to do, we want to make sure that we're an integral part of the development of the market and the communities that participate, in this market. So essentially, we help the real economy. Our role is to make sure that through the financial sector, we help the real economy. We help new types of technology companies come to market. Biotech companies and pharma companies discover new products, new innovations. We facilitate financing. We facilitate the sustainability transition by having a carbon exchange where people can trade carbon credits. There are so many ways in which our business is helping the real economy that it helps fulfill our objective of being the super connector, helping the real economy, and making sure that we have a strong financial institution that people around the world trust and have confidence in.